Hello everybody, welcome to a different video. This is the April? It's April. It is April. The April update video. This one's going to be a little bit different. In the past I've done some Q&A, I've done some other stuff like that. In this one, it's always popular when I talk about gear. People often ask me on social media about what I use to film stuff, by email as well. All of that. We made a video maybe about a year and a half ago, I think, and I touched on this. But it always changes, things do progress and move on, so I thought what I would do is make a little update video. I think since doing that last one, I also moved to a new studio, so new space, new stuff, all of that good stuff. What I will do for this is I will switch to a different camera, because this one is a fixed camera, and we can go through my studio, and you can see what I use to make all these videos. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, this is different camera, different audio quality. I apologize for all of that. There's not actually a way that I can... Maybe you can plug a lavalier mic. I use this Rode Lav Plus mic. Can't work out a way to plug it into that. So, what do I have? First of all, there is a big light above me. Then there are these two. This is what I look at for a large proportion of every day. You can't really see because these lights are washing it out. Maybe if we go around here a little bit more. Da-da-da-da-da. This... two lights here, and then there's a camera thing here. This is my teleprompter. There's an iPad. There's a really old iPad here, which I'm having trouble with lately. It doesn't seem to want to charge. This was literally a new problem 20 minutes ago. It's why I'm making this video instead of recording main videos. Plugged into here, this is a GH4 Lumix camera, all very basic. This is a big tripod that supports the stuff. All of this, these lights are plugged into smart plugs, so when I want to turn on all of these lights, these main lights, and also these background lights. People ask whether this is a green screen. No, this is all very real. I used to be able to turn these on and off, but now they're just plugged into smart plugs, so I can just press a button on my phone, and all of the lights for this studio come on, which is, it's a good time saver. I also bought this cool neon sign, but... how do I plug this thing in? This is too much of a hassle. The neon sign's too bright, so it kind of washes out the video. What I do is the video comes out of the GH4, then it goes into this splitting thing, because I have another set, which if I toggle this, it'll switch over to filming from the other camera, which is on the other set. Then it goes into this, which is HD60 Elgato, HD60 Elgato device, which then feeds it directly into the computer. So it comes out on here. So when I'm there, and then you can just press record and it'll film and send directly to the hard disk. I basically did this because there's this stupid restriction on cameras in Europe that if it's not a video camera, like not specifically a video camera, it can only film to like 29 minutes or something, which is kind of annoying when you're filming stuff. Then that's kind of the Today I Found Out set, but many of you also know I do some other channels, which I film from here. These lights are not on over here, and then also this background's here. Yeah, from here I film biographics and visual politic. Check those out and subscribe if you want to. What else? Well, I got another room where I film podcasts. I don't film podcasts, where we make the Brain Food Show. I should have switched the lights on in here before I filmed this. So yeah, this is where we record the Brain Food Show. So it's really messy. I apologize for that. Yeah, so this is the podcast recording studio. And I recently got this sofa in case I need to nap. This is where I exercise. This is more like a tour of my office rather than than just the studio. But also, yeah, I mean, there's another room in there. This is my thinking room. So it's just whiteboards and big pieces of paper. I won't take you in there because all my secret projects are up on the walls. Anyway, there's a kitchen and a bathroom and all of that jazz, but that's not really interesting. So yeah, that's how it goes. Also, I record, like I've got my laptop here for pronunciations and all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's a bit of a studio tour, a bit of an update. I got this comfy chair that I use for filming highlight history. So that is my current gear setup, really. It's not that complicated. I was glad to get it plugged into the computer because that makes it a whole lot faster. If you got questions for me, if you want advice on any of this stuff, just let me know. I'm more than happy to give it. Best place, social media. I'm at Simon Whistler on Twitter and Instagram, or you can email me, simon@todayifoundout.com. And yeah, that's that, guys. Thank you for watching.